It's too much. The perilous mission of search and rescue teams through the rubble in Antakya feels endless. A Turkish squad agreed to take us along during one such operation. Since the 7.8 magnitude earthquake hit the region on Monday, it's been all hands on deck. Many involved in shoveling and sifting through the rubble for survivors are volunteers with no previous experience, but that's not keeping them from carrying on. Here, where a 5-story building once stood, the only things left are debris and hope against all odds.
What's happening here is nothing short of extraordinary. Some 4 hours ago, the rescue team started hearing noises. They asked everyone around here in the streets to be quiet, the engines of cars and diggers to be turned off. They were communicating with someone under the rubble, and now that person is set to finally come out.
More teams and equipment were brought in, and even family members were called to try and guide rescuers through the building plan to speed up the process. Moments later, at a crucial stage for this particular rescue, a sudden cry about the collapse of a dam and chaos. Rescuers run through the rubble. Searches are suspended until the news that it was a false alert. Turkish officials accuse looters of attempting to spread fake information, wasting precious hours of life-saving work.
What happened?
I don't know. They said that just run.
Apparently it's water.
But eventually rescuers returned and families followed.
Kardeşim, eşi ve çocukları için bekliyorum. Ümitliyim çünkü bugün hala sağ olarak kurtulanlar olduğu için ümidimi kaybetmiyorum.
But the miracle that many hoped for wasn't meant to happen tonight. And the pain that is already immense grew just a little larger, as if the wave of hurt and destruction submerging this country didn't want to recede. Anelise Borges in Antakya, southern Turkey, for Euronews.